Sorry.
Hi, treasures. Please like, subscribe, leave comments. It helps us a lot, and thank you very much. What's up with this girl now?
My cat wants to come up here, I think.
Oh, jeez.
I'm tired. I'm going to bed soon.
Tired or high?
I think I'm going to have something to snack on, but I'm not sure.
Oh, jeez.
Hi, Samantha.
You need to leave that food alone.
Oh, are you Vegas still? Sorry, I know this. Okay.
What?
This stream is titled Working on My Room. Hi, Tiff.
You
Hi,
mean
everybody.
eating in my kitchen? Let's hang. Kitchen.
Bizu. Ashley, Roni, Mimi Bondu, J-Boy.
Wow.
This is beautiful, comfy, low IQ voice activated. Golden Girl, hi all five, hi. Kay. Brooke, because I knew it. Rufus. She tricked me. You tricked me. Do you want some strawberry ice cream? Why is my eye like this? Hi, you guys. Hi, Faith. Abby. Pete. So close to the sun. Pete didn't. Cut master. Hello. Pete didn't like the meatloaf as much. He said it tasted weird. I said, well, I used. Shit. I don't have any, and I have no bra on, so.
What a girl.
What time is it?
Someone's tired.
It's late. Think of what I want to eat. 11:30.
Shouldn't be eating nothing this late.
I can't order paneer right now. I don't like. No, I can't eat those lakma anymore. I know that sounds weird, but they're so doughy. And McDonald's? No, I can't eat that shit anymore. You know what I'm really craving?
It's hard to tell. Do tell us, please.
Who was playing Mario with me, by the way? And my friend. Because I was... Some Beezers. I think I know. No, I don't know who the Beezers are. Maybe one? Strawberry ice cream? Here.
Are you serious?
Here. Here.
Oh boy.
Here. Are you blind?
Maybe she's an old cat. Or he.
No, she's just...
Oh crap, just shovel it in there. Whatever.
Which Nashi? I'm offended that Nashi left. Grandma. BBJ.
What is she gonna do when she gets older? Jeez. If she's lucky enough to make it to get older.
What do you mean? Why is he so mad? What, he's mad right now? Or in general? He's livid right now? Oh. He's mad probably because people are challenging his cooking. I don't care, Dawn. Someone asked me. Well, it's not that I don't care, obviously. Why do you care? You know why I care. What a dumb question.
Oh, please.
I'm kidding, Dawn.
Jeez.
And Cat Voice, are you a cook? Are you a cook?
Get that chocolate off your mouth. Just like a kitty, and look at that. And she didn't even wipe it off her hand.
Yeah. I saw her videos. Her and Cat Voice put a lot of effort into their videos. My potatoes tonight were so good.
Well, good.
If you want the potatoes to absorb the liquid more, take the... Don't cover them. You can't send super chat? Why? Maybe it's demonetized. I guess for whatever reason. Foodie Beauty. We flagged you as inappropriate for human consumption. What? I'm a good person.
What? One of our members said, Chantal saying, I'm kidding, after a sentence doesn't erase it. There you go. She repeated
No, but it sets the intention. Yay, Mystery Maya. Yeah. If Nakshi's gonna bitch about it, tell him to come back here then. I want an ice cream float. Hi, baby girl.
Girl, you don't need no floats.
Shit. I gotta plug my phone.
Okay, well, you just do
So thanks
that.
for hanging out with me, guys, like, all day long, even though I have no life. Sorry.
Jeez.
Even though I have no life. Life is beautiful. Hope you have a great day tomorrow night with your guests. I really enjoy watching your videos. Woo! I look like an egg. Thank you! Thank you, life is beautiful.
I'll see you on the next one.
Thank
Love you,
life
treasures.
is beautiful.
Remember, you're all beautiful.
That's very nice of you to do.